Hi everyone, this is Cynthia with Cynlop Inc. And in this video I'm going to go over adding hand lettering over photo with added dimension. I have already placed my photo on my canvas, but just to show you quickly here, I use Unsplash for the majority of times when I do go over photo. I have a really great selection of high quality photos, so I'd really recommend checking them out. So once you've downloaded that photo, you would just go to the wrench, insert file or photo wherever you have it located, and it drops it right into your canvas. I do recommend lettering over the photo, so you would just basically create a new layer with the plus sign, and I've already done that here. I've selected now my koi brush, which can be found in my shop at cynlopinc.com. And let me start by just writing my word here. Alright, I'm going to adjust that just a little bit. Alright, now what I want to do is swipe to the left, hit duplicate, and that layer I just duplicated, I want to alpha lock it to recolor it black. Tap on it, fill layer, and alpha locking automatically just fills the whole thing. Okay, and now I want to drop that down a little bit. And now I'm going to go to the wand tool here, select motion blur, and apply, it's around like 15% or so. Okay. And now I want to click into my layers again, and I want to go into my blend mode. So I'm going to go ahead and click the N here, hit contrast, and I think I'll go with overlay. Okay. And there you have it. So that's making it stand out a little bit more. If you see I turn that off, you've got the flat white lettering. Now turn that back on, and it just adds a little more dimension to that to make it really the main focus of this piece. Okay, another option you can do is soft light if you're wanting just a little bit more of a subtle shadow. Or if you're wanting just a straight up black shadow, then you can do hard light and adjust that as needed to however you like. So you have a few different options there. I do find this tends to work best if you have like a background with a lot of like medium tones to it. If it's too dark, if you're using a dark shadow, of course it won't show up as well. So just be cautious of that when you are selecting a photo, that you're choosing one that the shadow will show against well, that's not too dark. So hopefully this helps you out a little bit with adding more dimension to your lettering. Again, you can find the brush I used here along with several others on my shop at cynlopinc.com. Thank you so much for watching today, and have a great day.